Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're going to be looking at one of our new designs. It's going to be a portable walk-in box. A portable walk-in box. Okay, so as you can see on the bottom, it has those wheels, and it's pretty much you can use it and move it. If you need to move from place to place, you can go ahead and do that. Now, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you. For this one, you're looking at 10 feet long. Okay, so the length, obviously, you're looking at 10 feet. Now, from side to side here, I want to go ahead and measure it for you so you have an idea. Once I go ahead and measure that, you're looking at a total of 89 inches. So you're looking at about roughly 7.5 feet. Now, on the front, we have our door. You also will be provided with keys to lock your door. Okay, so all that will be provided. Also on the side, we have switches here. If we go ahead and open up the door, switches that are used for lighting. Okay, so you can install lighting on the inside of this walk-in box. Now, before we get started more, I want to go ahead and measure this entry for you. For the door thickness, you're looking at 4 inches. Okay, from left to right here, you're looking at 31.5. And the height from the entry here, we're going to be looking at a total of 71 inches. Okay, also for this door frame, there is a heating element inside just to prevent from the door frame to frost up or create that frost. Okay, so it's like a defrost function. It has a heating element on the inside. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and show you the inside. Walk inside here. As you can see, we have aluminum flooring. Okay, this unit's all going to be insulated, obviously. And I want to go ahead and give you the measurements on the inside. Okay, so from one side to the other, you're looking at 80 inches. Okay, 80 inches. Overall height, you're looking at 85. Okay, 85 of the overall height. Corners, you're looking at 79.5. Okay, 79.5 in the corners. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this walk-in box. As you can see, you have plenty of space here to store your product. Okay, this, as I mentioned, is a 10 foot by 7.5. Now, we're going to go ahead and walk over to the other side of this unit, of this walk-in box, and we'll show you this frame that's located on the back. Okay, this is where you're going to be able to drill your hole here or create a hole here to add your condensing unit. Okay, so for this type of walk-in box, if you follow me over here, you can use one of our own condensing units that just looks like this. Okay, so once you drill that hole, you will place this condensing unit on the inside. This is a piece that goes on the inside of the walk-in box. This is a piece that goes on the outside. Okay, so this is one of our new walk-in boxes. I mentioned this is a portable. We'll have 2 sizes available. So go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update all the information on the website, including the price for this exact size. If you have any other questions regarding this size or maybe the other size we have available, you can give us a call and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.